Hello everyone, this is a presentation of INC382 Capstone Project 2 for Automation Engineering. So, here's our overall process design diagram, which consists of 7 major topics. The first one is about the process flow analysis, or IDF0. Second one is about the process simulation. Third one is the PyTech name design, which is based on the operational technology data, or OT data. Fourth, for the asset framework design. The fifth is about software and database design, which is based on the information technology data or IT data. Then we divide it into 4 smaller topics as the service performance, IT service for sales office, financial service, and truck tracking service. 6 is about the OE report. And finally, the last major topic is about the terminal automation system, monitoring or task monitoring. For the process flow analysis IDF0, we use IDF0, which is a graphical process modeling methodology used to implement systems and engineer software by using the Visio program to create IDF0 diagrams. So this is the perspective of the terminal automation system, as this process is for the operation on each station for the system. And this is the perspective of the truck driver, as it is the process for the operation of a truck driver. It is a diagram that indicates the process of the system, as the truck driver will understand each station system, so the truck driver will know the procedure on each system.
For the process simulation, after we analyze the process flow, we will simulate the simulation, which the program that we use is the Arena simulation program. But we use to simulate the terminal automation system. And here is the simulation of each work process of each station in terminal automation system. After we run the Arena simulation for a simulated period of 1 month, we will get the report that identifies the value of different service times that can be used to show the performance of each station.
For PyTech name design or OT data, we design PyTech name to use for OT service and IT service. This is the structure of designing the PyTech name. We are in group 2, so our plan ID will be A002. So this is the ecosystem diagram. O01 is the loading automation, which we create PyTech name for data that we get it from the OPC UA and Arena simulation. For example, data from OPC UA are the values of the sensors, and data of the Arena simulation are the value of the service time. SO1, loading operation. This loading operation is used for sales office service, which the data will be divided into 2 categories as OT and IT data. For OT data are the filling volume, and IT data are the PO number, truck ID, and type of product. SO2, costing KPI, we create this tag name for financial service, which the data about the daily volume sold of diesel and gasoil 95, daily purchase volume of diesel and gasoil 95, and daily stock remaining of both diesel and gasoil 95 volume. SO4, we create a PyTech name for OE report in an Excel file, as we'll be reporting the person A, person P, and person OEE for each dispenser machine, which consists of 6 dispenser machines with an include of 4 diesel dispenser machine and 2 gasoil 95 dispenser machine. SO3, we create the PyTech name for service performance, which most of the data are service time that will be used in the performance dashboard for monitoring on web API. SO5, service monitor, we create the PyTech name for task monitoring service, which the value are shown in real-time base, as the real-time base value are important for the operator. For example, the flow rate of gas, level of gas, status of the machine, PO number of the truck that is the in processing of filling the gas.
For design of the asset framework design, we will follow the structure of cyber physical system. For group 2 factory, we will divide into 6 stations. For example, in the bay loading station, we will divide into 6 bays. But we have 4 diesel bays and 2 bays of gasoil 95. As the first bay of diesel bay, for example, we will provide 5 services as for the O01 loading automation, which contain the different raw data that used in the service, such as diesel bay 1 cycle time, flow transmitter of diesel bay 1 and PO number in the diesel bay 1. Then moving on, the SO4 OEE service, which contain the calculated data like the person A, person OEE, and person P. For PiVision, the terminal automation system monitoring, we use PiVision to display the overall filling process. For each gas dispenser, we'll show the temperature, flow rate, level, and it will also show the PO number of the current truck in the filling process and also the status of dispenser. As well, we can change the date of the next day for diesel bay 2. When the status is offline, we will assume the truck to be white, as for showing that the bay is idle. It will also display new data on the PO number, flow rate, and the red light will be displayed as offline.
For OE report, this is the OE report, which will be reporting the percentage A, percentage of P, and percentage of OEE of each bay station on daily basis. The OEE report uses a Pi data link that can bring data from Pi Asset Framework to Excel. This graph will compare the percentage of OEE, percentage of A, and percentage of P of each diesel bay. And this graph also compares the percentage of OEE, percentage A, and percentage P between each gasoil 95 bays. We can also change the date, and the value will change alongside with the date we put it in.
For software and database design, this is our use case diagram used to represent the web application. This is our class diagram to represent the structure of web application. And here is the sequence diagram used to show the workflow of our application. And the last one is ER diagram used for database design for our application.
For the service performance, so this is the daily performance dashboard as it contains a amount fields of both diesels and gasoil 95, average diesels and gasoil 95 cycle time, average waiting time on each station, average number of queues on each station, scheduled utilization on each station, average working process of both diesels and gasoil 95, and the number of truck in and out from the gate. We can also monitor the desired daily date. Then this is the monthly performance dashboard. And here is the IT service for sales office, which in this part of the website we can search for the purchase order by the PO number. For the next one is the financial service. This will show the financial report that is important to our system, which consists of general journal, general ledger, income statement, reconciliation sheet, inventory stock card, purchase order, and invoice. And for the last one is the truck tracking service, which we can track the truck by using the data from the truck ID, PO number, and date in date out from the system.